Not only are we busy out in the tropics, but closer to home, we've been tracking storms and showers each and every afternoon. Starting off this morning's commute, gorgeous, hardly a cloud in the sky with the Luminary Hotel camera as it looks into North Fort Myers and Cape Coral. Dry conditions as you're driving over the Caloosahatchee Bridge. So at least this morning, we're starting off calm. We're going to talk about those afternoon storms and showers in just a little bit. I want to start with the tropics. That is because we're less than a month into hurricane season. We're tracking two different systems in the Atlantic. So right now you can see all of the convection that is associated with Tropical Storm Brett. Right behind it is going to be Tropical Depression number 4. This developed as of 5 o'clock this morning. So let's start with that one since it's our newest one out here. A much smaller storm compared to Brett, and wind speeds only up to about 35 miles per hour. When it comes to the forecast track, though, things not looking too bad because it looks like this is going to stay as a fish storm. It keeps it as a weaker system, a tropical storm. It is not forecast to become a hurricane. As it moves through the Atlantic, it will interact with some wind shear, and by early Tuesday morning is expected to become a remnant low. Now, Tropical Storm Brett a little bit stronger this morning. Wind speeds up to 70 miles per hour, so not too far off from a hurricane. However, with the latest track from the National Hurricane Center, it is still forecast to remain at tropical storm strength because of wind shear in the area. So right now it's about 200 miles east of Barbados. Now they are going to see some nastier weather. That's going to be gusty conditions, heavy rainfall, and some flooding as well. It's going to stay to the south, though, not impacting Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, or even the island of Cuba. And by Saturday, it looks like the shear really going to rip apart the system, eventually becoming a remnant low over the weekend as well. So with the tropics, yes, being busy, but not a threat to mainland U.S., this allows us to really focus on those afternoon storms and showers closer to home. Clouds and radar sweeping across the nice and clear by your lunch hour. Coastal community is going to see a couple of isolated storms becoming more widespread between 11 and 3. By 5 o'clock, we really do dry out, and it looks like we stay dry as we head into your evening hours. First thing tomorrow morning, Collier County, you could wake up with a couple of spotty showers or an isolated storm, and then it looks like those storms really fire up more inland right between about 4 and 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. We're also very warm and muggy with temperatures ranging from the low to mid 70s. Already 80 degrees though at Sanibel, 72 though Arcadia, 70 LaBelle, 74 Fort Myers, and 75 down in Naples. Hour by hour as we climb into the afternoon, those highs by 1 o'clock going to be near 90 degrees. The humidity though making it feel like it's in the triple digits already. So make sure you're taking plenty of breaks in the shade, drinking a lot of water for today. Afternoon storms and showers do remain in the forecast as we wrap up your work week, head into your weekend, and the heat sticks around too. Each and every day you can expect those highs to remain in the low 90s. 6:51 is your time and you're watching Fox 4 Morning News.